How to fix PayPal money on hold. Hey everyone, in this video I'll guide you through the steps to fix PayPal money that's on hold. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that PayPal may hold funds for several reasons, including new seller status, high-risk transactions, or if the buyer has opened a dispute. Understanding the reason can help you address the issue effectively. So log into your PayPal account and check for any emails or notifications from PayPal regarding the hold. They often provide details on why the funds are held and what you can do to resolve the issue. So if you're a seller and the payment is on hold, one way to expedite the release of your funds is to provide tracking information. So go to the activities section, find the transaction and click on it, then select add tracking information and enter the tracking number for the shipment. In many cases, PayPal automatically releases the hold after a certain period, usually 21 days. You can check the expected release date in the transaction details, so if you don't need immediate access to the funds, you might just wait for this period to pass. If the hold is due to a buyer dispute or claim, respond promptly with any evidence you have. Log into your PayPal account, go to the Resolution Center, and follow the instructions to provide your side of the story. If you've tried the above steps and still face issues, consider reaching out to PayPal customer support. You can find their contact information on their website. Be prepared to provide details about your situation to get the best assistance. And that's it. You now know how to fix PayPal money on hold. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more PayPal tips. Thanks for watching.